Did you know that the Arctic ground squirrel hibernates so deeply that its body temperature drops below freezing? This quirky critter can survive temperatures that would freeze most animals solid. During hibernation, its heart rate plummets from 200 beats per minute to just a few, conserving energy in the harsh Arctic winter. This unique adaptation allows it to emerge in spring, ready to feast and frolic. The Arctic ground squirrel's ability to supercool without freezing is a marvel of nature, showcasing the wonders of evolution. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories.